Okay, we got this Blade Maid ceiling fan duster, and the two halves come apart so that you can just use it by itself if you want to on its little handle, and this extends, of course. They sent this just so we could show it to you. And I took it apart so that I could wash these. They come off with the little hook and loop, and then it just sticks right back on there. We took it off and we threw these in the washing machine and let them air dry, and now we're going to put it back together. But what I wanted to show you was how easy it goes back together. If you see that little tab goes right back into that little thingy right there. See if I can do this one-handed. Put that back in there like that. And then this little lock switch here. See if I can do this here. Got those little tabs lined up there. Like that. And like that on both sides there. And that those little tabs are lined up there, you just slide that little slide switch to the lock side right there. See how it has a little lock and unlock icon there. And then on the other side, you do the exact same thing. Ta-da! And then it's back together again. And then, of course, you can extend it out and put it along the blades of your ceiling fan and get it all cleaned up. Of course, these little things extend your post here. Extend your pole so that you can reach high up in the ceiling and get your ceiling fan and all that kind of stuff. So, anyway, yeah, good stuff, but it's super easy to put back together. I just wanted to show you really how to put it back together with that little lock slide switch right there. And of course, it's easy to clean. You take those little chenille pads off and wash them up and put them back together. So, haha, how about that? Thanks for sending that.